Hello everyone, this is Amit Lathikra. Hello everyone, this is Amit Lathikra, and in this video tutorial I am demonstrating a use of operators in a computer program. Operators are essential in any of the computer program, and basically operators performs a particular task over operands. So what exactly it is? Let me simplify this. For example, I want to find addition of 3 and 8. So this is possible using plus. So 3 plus 8. So whatever the result comes, it is addition of 3 and 8. So this plus is considered as operator, while this 3 and 8 considered as operands. As it performs arithmetic operation, that is addition, it comes into the category of arithmetic operators. In arithmetic operators, we do have addition, multiplication, subtraction, and division. Apart from this, we do have a modulus operator as well. This modulus we are using to find the remainder after the division. For an example, if I'm dividing 10 with 4, so my quotient is 2, 4 into 2, that is 8. This is my quotient. And 10 minus 8, so remainder is again 2. So this is remainder. So to find a remainder, what we are using this operator, which indicates modulus operator. So this plus, minus, multiplication, division, and modulo, this comes into the category of arithmetic operators. Apart from this, we are also having relational operators. For example, I want to find a relation between the operands in terms of greater than or less than, whether equal or not equal. So this equal, if we write once, it considered as assignment. In some of the programming languages, we need to write 2 times equals, which indicates comparative analysis among the operands. So greater than, less than, equal, not equal, greater than and equal, less than and equal. So these all comes into the category of relational operator. For example, 40 greater than 60. So whenever we are using relational operator, then question mark comes, because it gives a result in terms of either true or false. Either true or false. 30 is equal to 30. Answer is true. So relational operators gives answers in terms of true and false. So first category of operators, arithmetic operators. Second is relational operator. Third category is logical operator, where we are having logical and logical or logical not. In some of the programming languages, it considered as logical and 2 times ampersand sign, pipe symbol twice indicates or, negation is not. For an example, I want to check whether my number is greater than 10 as well as less than 21. In short, any number between 11 to 20. So say, let's have 16. 16 is greater than 10. Second is 16 less than 21. So I want to check both the conditions together. So 16 greater than 10. This is true. 16 less than 21. This is also true. So logical AND indicates if both operands performs true, then answer is true. In all other cases, it is false. Here, instead of 16, if I write 46 less than 21, so here it is false. And here I used logical AND. If both operands are true, then and only then result is true, else result is false. Next is logical OR. Logical OR meaning any of the operands results in true, then answer is true. For an example, 16 greater than 10 or 46 greater than 21. So 16 greater than 10. This is true. 46 less than 21. This is false. But here I used OR. Meaning of logical OR is any of the operands results in true, then overall result is true. If both operands are false, then and only then result becomes false. And logical NOT, it's a negation. If true, then logical NOT of true is false. And if it is false of negation, then true. For an example, consider this part only, 16 greater than 10. So this is true. But if I write negation, then this true converts into false. Not 16 greater than 10, then it is false. So logical AND, logical OR, and logical NOT. So these are the basic operators which we require in a computer program. Let's consider similar operators in Scratch as well. So this is my Scratch platform. And here, let's go to the operators. So these all are arithmetic operators. This is greater than, less than, equal, relational operator. This is logical AND, logical OR, NOT. So logical operators, and we do have some other set of operators which may require in one or other programming stuffs. So what I want to do, I want to take one say block and then let's say operator. The very first one, logical, from the operator set, say arithmetic operators. So let me have here two numbers, 15 and 25. Let's click here. Let's check an output. Arithmetic operators 40. Result of 15 and 25 is addition. Now let's have subtraction. Say 10 minus 7. So expected answer is 3. So let's click here. Answer is 3. Subtraction, then multiplication. So let's have 5 and 8. Expected answer is 40. So answer is 40 here. Then let's have division. Say 9 divided by 3. Quotient is 3. And let's have modulus, which also comes in the arithmetic operator. So here let's have 12 and let's have 5. So 5 into 2. So 10, 12 minus 10, remainder is 2. So here remainder is 2, quotient is 2. So this comes under arithmetic operators. Then let's have randomization. Say for example, you want to take a random number between say 41 and 50. So pick a random between 41 to 50. So each time it gives a random number. 41 and 50 both are inclusive here. So pick a random, gives you the random number. If you require anywhere randomization in your program, then let's have relational operators. Let's have the very first one, greater than, say 10 greater than 50. Answer is false. 60 greater than 50. Answer is true. So it gives a result always in form of true and false. Similar way, less than 25 less than 50, so it is true. 55 less than 50, so answer is false. Equal, say 40 and 50 both are equal, so answer is false. Let's have 50 and 50 both sides, so answer is true. So this is a relational operator. Next is logical operator. The very first one is logical AND. So here let's use say 60 greater than 50 first side, and second side let's have 55 less than 50, and let's put it here as a logical AND. So answer is false because 60 is greater than 50, while 55 is not less than 50. So next what I want to do, I want to consider say number should be between 41 and 50. So any random number, let me have say 45. So this I want to check in this way, say 45, it should be less than 51, and 45 should be greater than 40. So let's click here. Answer is true because 45 is in the range of 41 to 50. So next logical OR. If both are true, then of course answer is true. If any one is true, for example here 55 less than 51, so this is false, while 45 greater than 40 is a true, so answer remains true. If both are false, then and only then answer is false. For example, here what I want to do, I want to keep 35 greater than 40, which is false. 55 less than 51, that is also false. So answer is false. So logical OR and logical NOT. Logical NOT is basically a negation. So for example, 40 is less than 51. So it is a true, but here it's a negation. So answer is false. And 40 of 5 or say 55 less than 51, which is a false, but it is a negation. So overall result is true. So this is logical operators, logical AND, logical OR, logical NOT. Let's see a few other operators as well. So very first one is join. Basically, it is going to join two values. So here apple and banana. So as an output, it's a combined result of apple and banana. Then first letter of apple, so which is A. Say for example, fourth letter of apple, expected answer is L, and it is L. Length of apple, so how many characters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So answer is 5. Whenever you want to find a length, you can use the length of. Mod we have discussed already. Anywhere if you want to do a rounding operation, say for example, a round of 5.6, as it is above 0.5, expected answer is 6, and here it is 6. And apart from this, we are also having a set of mathematical functions. For example, a floor value of 3.14. So expected answer is 3. And similar way, ceiling of 3.14. So greatest possible integer number, which is out of 3.14 is 4. So answer is 4. The same way, absolute, sine value, cosine, tangent. So these are the various mathematical functions. The square root of 36. So answer is 6. So this is all about operators. In Scratch, I demonstrated various operators individually. which I'm going to use in subsequent programs as and when required. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good time ahead.